and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elise, and if you're not new here, you probably don't know what I actually look like. I don't show my face a ton on camera. I think I've done maybe one other on-person video. I think that was last year at Christmas time. I did a video about incorporating your crafting and the card making supplies into gift wrapping. Anyways, I digress. Welcome to my craft space. It is a little bit messy. What you cannot see is what is on the floor and what is behind the camera. I just kind of like cleared this off so it didn't look so hideous. My craft space is in my dining room, which is also my husband's workspace. His workspace is over here. My craft stuff is here. This is my dining room table. We live in a pretty small house and have one spare bedroom, so cannot really allocate that to being a craft space. So it works, but just a little bit about where we are today. Again, sorry if it's messy. This is pretty much as clean as it was gonna get for today. So anyways, I am here doing an on-camera my face video because we have reached 1,000 subscribers on this channel, which is wild, y'all. Never in a million years did I think that I would get that milestone. And I'm so thankful for all of you for subscribing and being here and commenting and liking my videos and watching them. And, you know, some of you I've really gotten to know in the comments and it's just been lovely. So thank you for being here. But because we've hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway. So I'm actually gonna do 2 giveaways. So there'll be a giveaway if you are located in the US, in the States, and there'll be a giveaway if you are not in the US, in another country. So first off, for the US giveaway, I have been compiling in a box a ton of items that I knew that I wanted to put into a giveaway if I hit 1,000 subscribers. So I've got some things here. I mean, I've got like stamps and dies. I've got a few different enamel pins, some ink pads. This is perfect for Christmas time. This is like my all-time favorite Christmas green, the Long Fawn Noble Fur. Anyways, some of my most favorite and most used dies, the Waffle Flower A2 layers, which is always sold out, and the nesting oval dies. Love these. There's washi tape in that box. There's a ton of stuff. I mean, it is like a full box, y'all. Like the value of this is well over, I'd say $100, if not like bordering on $150. The star of the box though, for sure, is the new MISTI 2.0. This came out earlier this summer. I bought one pretty much right away, and I bought a second one for one of you guys. I do not craft without this, or a MISTI in general, but I really like the new 2.0. It's got a lot of new bells and whistles. The hinges are better. There's a little place to store your magnet. It's just a little bit more thoughtful, I'd say, than the original design. So this will be going in that box. So if you don't have a MISTI, or you've really always wanted one, but never splurged, because they're not inexpensive. I think the original MISTI is now either $60 or $65. So not inexpensive, but you could maybe win one in this box. So it's a big like USPS priority mail flat rate box that I've just been putting a bunch of stuff in. So one of you in the US will win that big box. So I hope that you enjoy the crafty goodies that I have picked out and put aside for you. Just a lot of fun things and some Christmas things too as we move into that season of crafting. For my international friends, I know that obviously shipping you guys a box, first off, it would take forever to get there. Second, the shipping would be really expensive for me. And so what I'd rather do is just work with you, work with whoever is the winner, and you will get a gift certificate to a local online craft store near you. So, you know, if you're in Australia, maybe that's Don Lewis. I know that there's a bunch of Canadian retailers, some in the UK and in Europe as well. So I'll just work with you on choosing a store that will allow me to send you an electronic gift card. And we'll go from there. So it'll be a $50 gift card to the store of your choice if you are an international viewer. So to enter the giveaway, so obviously when you go, it'll be a comment. So you can comment and let me know first and foremost, are you in the US or are you international? Because that will really help me to split those pools and pick a winner. I'll randomly generate a winner out of those two lists. And then lots of times, so I never do face-to-face videos. I think I've done one other one. I usually do voiceovers and you just see my hands make a project. And lots of times when I'm doing something like coloring and there's a long stretch of video where I'm coloring, I don't always know what exactly to talk about. And so I'd love to just do like Q&A. So if you've got a question about me, about crafts, so you could ask me, you know, some of my favorite craft products, you know, something about me personally, about my life, about my dog, about whatever it is. You can ask me personal questions. You could ask me questions about what it's like being on design teams. This year I'm on the Waffle Flower Crafts and the Trinity Stamps design teams. That has been a wonderful experience, both of those. So if you've got questions about design team stuff, I can maybe answer those too. So leave any questions that you have, like I said, personal or crafty, in the comments down below, and that will be your entry. So like I said, you have to be subscribed and you have to leave a comment, and in that comment you need to tell me where you live and a question that you have for me. That should wrap up this video. Like I said, I'm tremendously thankful for all of you and for your support, and this is kind of like the least that I could do to do something fun and do a little bit of a giveaway for you. So I will catch you in the next video. Not like this. I haven't put on makeup like this since before quarantine started. I even blow dried my hair today. That's been the one really nice thing I will say about all of this, is that I really haven't felt the need to like put on makeup and look presentable. Maybe I should. Maybe this is probably healthy. But I'll be going back to my hands only and a voiceover. So I will catch you in the next video, and be sure to like this video so that other people can see it. The YouTube algorithm works that like my channel will get suggested to new viewers the more engagement that I have, which includes a thumbs up, like. So anyways, good luck entering the giveaway. It'll be up for 1 week's time starting when this video is posted, but all of the details are in the description box down below. So be sure to check that out. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.